Hi, welcome to another video, and in this video we will learn how to set discount based on regular or sale price of the products on our shop. Alright, so as you can see, these are the prices of products, but there are two prices here. Let's say for this product we have two prices. One is the regular price, which is 200, and the sale price 150. So we all know what's a regular price. The regular price is the original price of the product, but sometimes we would prefer setting discount for that object directly via WooCommerce, and then that is the sale price of the product. For example, this is the product Art Day, and we have two prices for this product. One is the regular price and the sale price, which is basically a discount, right? So we can actually choose whether the discount has to be applied from the regular price, which is 200, or the sale price of the product, which is 150. Okay, so this particular option is available while providing discount on products using WooDiscount Rules plugin, and that's what we are going to discover in this video. We will start off by creating a rule which applies this particular scenario. So let me choose a simple product adjustment rule by enlisting the product Art Day. Okay, just for our understanding. Yes, now I'm going to set a 50% discount on this particular product. Okay, and then save and close this particular rule. Now that the rule has been saved successfully, we'll have to know whether the discount is applied on the regular price or the sale price of the product. Okay, for this we'll have to go to our settings tab and then choose the option there. Right now, calculate discount from is set to regular price, which means the discount will be offered based on the regular price of the product, which is the regular price is 200 here. So the discount 50% will be applied on 200. Okay, let's just add this product to the cart and then click on view cart, and we will be able to see that the discount is applied to the regular price of the product because of the setting here. Now if you want this to be applied to the sale price, official WooCommerce sale price, then what you'll have to do is change to sale price here, calculate discount from sale price, and then save the settings and then go back to your cart, refresh it. You'll be able to see that the discount is applied from the sale price of the product, which is 150. Yes, so this is how we can actually choose whether discount should be calculated from regular or sale price of the products. Right now this particular feature is global, meaning you cannot choose for each product individually, but as far as your entire shop is concerned, you can actually choose them. Okay, this is a global feature, and thank you so much for watching. Hope that was helpful.